Hi, I'm Haley. I'm 8 years old, and this is my summer in Africa.
There goes Shosho's house. Look at it, up on the hill.
That's Shosho's house?
Up there, that cottage right there, up on the hill.
This one here.
Yes. And all the others. Thank you very much.
Well, she hasn't planted them yet. It's her job to plant them. No, we are planting some of them today.
You are going to plant them.
Yeah, that's why we're here.
That's so good. I'll keep watering them.
Now we are planting a fruit combo in my
Oh, yeah.
great grandmother's lawn over here. There's a bunch of plants, and this is what's inside: grape, lemon, raspberry, cantaloupe, passion fruit, watermelon, strawberry, and a cherry tomato. And a cherry tomato is like a tomato the size of a chair.
Okay, dig yours of it. No, don't go close. Oh, dia nak apa dah kan makion ni? Here, Haley.
Yeah.
Here. No, it doesn't matter. They all go.
Did you give me 2 or 3?
Put one, take one, put it on.
I dropped one. One of them are right next to each other.
Hey, kage kamoy. Okay, one more. Aha,
Katagat.
gata-gata.
I put one here, and
And one here.
there.
This one.
There's already one right
Yeah,
there.
kedo.
Hani hari.
Yeah, hena mo how they
I'll put it somewhere. There's one here, and one. Come on. What's so funny?
In na me okay dia.
Me cantaloupe. Yeah, sweet melon ni.
Oh, sweet.
Sweet melon.
Yeah.
Like what-
Is it like, if you tell us sweet?
It's what they call it here.
Not that
No, it's a very good melon, very good texture.
Ara kishoto.
I'll put some.
Adiaga nyena yere. Ide ne wa kushoto. Kogo cia erorera ithe ona ajege kama undu ta ithe. No, it's for cooking.
Okay, let's go.
Lagi ati.
Ikwa ciarĩ cia thĩini na nĩ njega mũno. Yeah. Akace ndageretie rĩmwe. You wanna feel it? I don't know if you can. No, hutie no.
Ni ahau, ni ahau.
said it was a weed, but
So that is also medicinal. We use the medicine. We boil these leaves, and then we use it as medicine.
Put it in this bag, Mom. Put it in the bag.
Yeah. Show me. Move a little bit. Move a little bit to your answers. Whoa, it's coming. Whoa, there we go. Whoa.
Right out of the tree.
Right out of the tree.
Look how many we have.
Oh, already hitting your head. Any. Haley, move away. Haley, move away. Haley, come where I am. Okay, Haley, move from there. Haley, move from there. Haley, be on the top side. Go around. Come back. Okay. How? Oh, okay. Safety. Okay, so.
Oh, no, that's dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. You don't need dragon fruit. You know.
It's what?
Tomato a dragon fruit.
It's a dragon fruit, right, Mom?
Oh,
Wait, what is it?
it's a thorn melon, she said.
This is a macadamia nut tree, you can see. And
There are the macadamias right there.
yeah, you can see them. I have no clue what we do with them. My mom.
We eat them.
You eat them? So
And you get oil from them.
you eat them and you get oil from them. Is the oil poisonous?
No, the oil is really good for your
So
skin.
you eat it?
You eat it, you make oil.
I will eat it. What does it taste like? Can you pick some?
Yeah, we will have to.
Wait, are these ones that are rough on your skin?
Yeah. Say hi. Okay, move on. Try there, up you. Yeah, the carrot and the two good, and the